Alright, hello. We've progressed, we've got the head off. Yeah, we're right, there was two screws holding a little bit of tin plate holding it on. And what the story is from here is that somebody else has been in the situation before us. Everything has history. You've just got to have the ability to read it. And he's broken both the barrels by using a screwdriver or a lever, and as you can see he's broken the fins off, which really that means unless you were desperate, you would throw those in the bin. Having said that, we're after the piston and piston rings, which unfortunately would have been nice to fit a barrel and its own piston, but it's going to have to be rob the piston rings, hone, which means clean up the bores in the other barrel, and hope it'll bed in very gently. But the other thing to look at on this engine is it has definitely got some history about it. Simon would have me believe it was going to be a minter and a good engine, but the other thing we found out was cylinder head. Have we got that cylinder head with the cheesed up? Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but the exhaust valve on number 3 is burnt away. A typical sight of it is it looks like a cheese wedge has been cut out of it. So that has got incredibly hot to burn that valve out. And another thing to look at while we're here is when you look at the piston top, you can see the striation marks down the front face of the piston. That has been getting very hot because that is molten aluminium which is melting and then moving out and leaving those bore marks. And all around the crown it's the same story. So this piston has definitely been getting very hot. Not in the sexual way either, in the very hot way. So yeah, it may be that this engine's good for scrap, but then again, never say never. I mean, the cases is one of the main things. If they're good, we can always find another barrel and piston, because at the moment we're looking at getting 2 good engines, and I say that in inverted commas, 2 good engines out of 3 dead men. And if we can do that, I think we've probably hit the mark. We'll get a gold medal for it, actually. You know, Frankenstein Award in resurrecting dead monsters. Right?